Hello everyone, hope you're all fine and making some use of this time. I'm here to share my internship experience, answer a few questions, and share some resources. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Neeli Ajay Chandra. I'm a fourth year undergraduate student from Aerospace Engineering Department. So let's start with the questions. I did my internship at KPIT Pune. KPIT provides software solutions to automobile industry. You see, cars these days are getting smart, and autonomous driving is the new buzzword. KPIT works exactly on these problems, and my profile was data analytics. So the next question is about the preparation part. I started my internship preparation pretty late. Generally, you get an internship mail in January in fourth semester. So that was when it really started. After some brainstorming and talking to seniors, I felt like data analytics was the profile to go for. And I started looking for some courses or projects in the field. Uh, my athletics team seniors helped me a lot with that, and one of my teammates and a friend was also looking for an internship in the same profile. So we started working together. So the goal was to look for projects or courses to do in second year summers or in the fifth semester to be able to write in the resume. We approached many profs for projects, but we didn't get any. And in the pre-registration phase, towards the end of the fourth semester, we applied for two courses that were being offered and were related to the field. One was IME 672, that is data mining and knowledge discovery, and the other one was CS 685, data mining. So we applied for these two courses, and in the fifth semester ad drop phase, I got my course request accepted for CS 685. So and one more thing was this course also had a course project, so two things to go in my resume. My team seniors also helped me with my resume and internship preparation, but going by the internship preparation I had until then, I felt like my internship session was going to be a long one, but surprisingly I got selected for Goldman Sachs quantitative profile interview. That was on day one. I did not go further in the rounds, but that gave me enough confidence for my internship session. Later on, KPIT came in October. So KPIT circulated a doc mentioning all the projects they have to offer, and requested the students to select the projects they are interested in, and their interview would be based on that. I selected projects related to data analytics and got shortlisted. In the interview, they asked me about my courses and projects related to the field, and also they tested my Python proficiency. The interview went well and I got selected. Next, coming to the skills required, proficiency in Python or R is a must. Python and R are the two most preferred languages for data analytics. Python is majorly used. Proficiency in Python libraries related to data analytics, that is the SciPy ecosystem, comprising of NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib libraries, also scikit-learn library. Good data processing skills, good machine learning algorithms knowledge are required for this field. Next, coming to courses, IME 672 data mining and knowledge discovery, CS 685 data mining, machine learning courses CS 771 are the ones to look for. There are also plenty of online courses available. Next, coming to projects, there are many professors in this field, both in CS and IME department, so you can approach them for projects. Also, many online sources are available for projects. Kaggle is the single largest and best source for projects and practice, so make good use of it. Next, coming to books. For beginners, there is a good book to start with, Machine Learning Master with Python by Jason Brownlee. This book I found pretty interesting. For beginners, it happens that they don't know exactly the part to solve a data analysis problem, and just keep applying all the methods they have learned till then. This book provides an idea, a roadmap of how to solve a data analytics problem. This is a good book to start with. Next, coming to companies and future prospects. Data analytics is emerging at a very fast rate. A very good percentage of non-code jobs are from this field. Reputed companies like Gartner, OYO, Indus Insights, EXL, Axis Bank, etc. offer jobs in this field. Next, some important points to note. Your work input for internship matters a lot. Your profile and your department might be different, especially if you are going for a non-core job. So just having a good CPA is not enough, and your effort for internship matters a lot. You're also expected to be good at solving coding problems, not just pure data analysis skills. So practice a lot of coding problems also. Also prepare for basic interview questions. Something like tell me about yourself. For these questions, don't by heart the answer. That makes it look more artificial. So just have some bullet points in mind. Research about the company, the profile offered, expected skills. These are must before going for an interview. Stay composed during an interview. You may fail to answer the question, but don't let it ruin the entire interview. The interview is seen as a whole, not just a single question. So stay composed. Stay focused on your profile. If you apply for all the profiles open for your department, you may land up in a job that you're not interested in. So stay focused on your profile. Attend sessions organized by SPO depending on the profile, and contact seniors in the field. KPIT has a chilled out atmosphere. The work ethic is good. All employees at different levels work on the same floor, so you can interact with a lot of people, right from the top technical directors to the new joinees and trainees. I got to make a lot of very good friends. The work was good, and after halfway through, one of my department seniors joined as a full hire, and he helped me with my project. So overall, it was a very memorable experience. The weekends were awesome. Pune has many tourist spots near it. The beauty of Western Ghats in months of July is just mind-blowing. I have an advice for a certain group of people. Some people think that internship is hard and is out of their reach. No, it's not. Just get out of your comfort zone and just jump into the intern season. It is a very good experience, and you would learn a lot along the way. It also helps you a lot with the placement season also. And if all things go well, you might land up in a very good internship. During this tough lockdown times, it is easy to get out of rhythm and get frustrated. Take a day off if needed, and try to work for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours in days you don't feel that good. So take care and all the best.